Welcome to the learning material of IATF, International Automotive Task Force, presented by Sakti Auto. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that drives quality and performance across the automotive industry. Get ready to explore the world of IATF, what it is, why it matters, and how it shapes the standards of excellence in automotive manufacturing. Let's get started. What is IATF? IATF stands for the International Automotive Task Force, a group of automotive manufacturers and trade associations formed to improve quality across the supply chain. IATF 16949 is a globally recognized quality management system, QMS, standard specifically designed for the automotive industry. It aligns with ISO 9001 standards but includes additional requirements for the automotive sector. To understand what IATF is, we should know why it holds such importance for manufacturing companies like ours. Why is IATF important? IATF is important in automotive manufacturing because when we adhere to the IATF requirements, it ensures consistent product quality across the supply chain, from production to the dispatch. IATF principles enables to reduce waste, variations and necessity to rework through making us to plan proactively with quality consciousness. When a company or an entity is certified with IATF standards, it means that our system is trustworthy with global customer base such as OEMs. Key clauses of IATF 16949 is to 2016. Scope defines the scope of the IATF standard and its applicability to the design, development, production, and service of automotive products. Normative references lists the reference documents essential for the application of the standard, mainly ISO 9001 is to 2015. Terms and definitions contains terms specific to the automotive industry and references to ISO TS 9000 definitions. Leadership emphasizes top management's role in leadership, policy, roles, and responsibilities within the QMS. Planning addresses risk-based thinking, quality objectives, and actions to address risks and opportunities. Support covers resources, competence, awareness, communication, and documented information. Operation the heart of product realization, planning, product design, development, production, and service provision. Also includes specific automotive requirements like APQP, control plan, and PFMEA. Performance evaluation focuses on monitoring, measurement, analysis, evaluation, internal audits, and management review. Context of the organization requires understanding internal and external issues, interested parties, and determining the scope of the QMS. Improvement involves non-conformity and corrective action, continual improvement, and problem-solving methodologies, e.g., 8D, root cause analysis. IATF goals. The goal of this automotive QMS standard is the development of a quality management system that provides for continual improvement, emphasizing defect prevention and the reduction of variation and waste in the supply chain. Having seen why IATF is essential, let's now examine the principles that form the backbone of this standard. Key principles of quality management system. Customer focus. Understanding and meeting customer needs is the foundation of quality. Sustained success is achieved when an organization consistently delivers value to its customers. Leadership. Strong leadership sets a unified direction and purpose, creating an environment for full employee involvement. Leaders ensure alignment of strategy, policies, and processes. Engagement of people. Involving all employees enhances their ability to create and deliver value. Empowered individuals at all levels are essential to achieving quality objectives. Process approach. Managing activities as interrelated processes ensures consistent and predictable outcomes. It improves efficiency by optimizing performance across the system. Improvement. Continuous improvement is a permanent objective of the organization. It drives innovation, enhances performance, and responds proactively to changes. Evidence-based decision-making. Effective decisions are based on the analysis of data and information. This reduces uncertainty and leads to more objective, confident actions. Relationship management. Managing relationships with interested parties, such as suppliers and partners, enhances sustained success. Strong relationships lead to a reliable and resilient supply chain. Why IATF matters? For an auto component manufacturer like Sakti Auto, IATF system is critically important to controls process quality from raw material to final product as it involves all departments from A to Z in the factory. IATF system helps us to reduce defects through preventive controls and PFMEA, and with robust documentation procedures of IATF, traceability is possible. With these, adherence to the IATF system enables the company and its departments to be accountable in what they do. Bagging IATF certification and sustaining it in the next years is a tough process. The audit procedures are very stringent and it should be practiced in letter and spirit to sustain the IATF recognition. Summary. Bagging IATF certification and sustaining it in the next years is a tough process. The audit procedures are very stringent and it should be practiced in letter and spirit to sustain the IATF recognition. Now we are ready to explore how IATF is actually implemented in real-world scenarios. That's coming up in next material. Thanks for watching. See you in the next learning session.